Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would just hurry and pull out my phone and do a 30-week update. I've been having a little bit stronger contractions. Normally I have a bunch of Braxton Hicks during the day, but for some reason today I've had a little bit more like intense contractions. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm sure I'm fine. I just am not feeling myself. Having a little bit of cramping going on. And just a minute, okay? I'm gonna make this video and then you can go outside, okay? Just a minute. Can you come watch the movie for a minute and then we can go out? So I thought I would just pop on here and do my 30-week update, and I'm so tired, so apologize my like crazy looking face and eyes. Like seriously, the sleep since my 28-week checkup last time I filled you guys in, so tired. Sleep has become like little to none because I just feel like if I'm on my back, it's like I feel like I'm gonna pass out. If I'm on my sides, I just feel so gross, and yeah, I just feel gross all the time. So yeah, but when I was pregnant with Hudson, I felt like I slept pretty good during my pregnancy. I mean, obviously not like amazing, but I'm so sick of everybody right now saying, just get that sleep in, get the sleep in, because you'll need it when the twins get here. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, they're like making me not sleep at all. I feel like I'm gonna die. But I could like literally, I need to take a nap. But I've been having contractions like every 5 to 20 minutes, like in between 5 and 20 minutes, that have seemed a little bit more intense than Braxton Hicks. But I don't know, because I have Braxton Hicks all the time, so maybe they're just a little bit more intense Braxton Hicks. I don't know. I'm just sitting here. We laid out in the sun today. My boob roll. Look at that. I laid out in the sun today with Court and Hudson. We just like relaxed out there, so I don't feel like I did anything intense today at all. But yeah, so I'll fill you in what has happened between 28 and 30 weeks. I don't think much has changed other than my belly's gotten bigger, I've gotten more emotional, and I have gotten like zero sleep. Food is still fine. I'm not craving anything in particular. I feel like everything's fairly normal. I had my appointment last week. Babies are each measuring about a little over 3 pounds apiece, which is really good for twins so far. So if I can just make it to my induction date, April 15th, that would be awesome. If not, I mean, we'll figure things out. Got my bags packed for the most part. I'm doing some laundry right now. I'm trying to like get it packed so in case anything happens, but I'm trying to rest as much as I can because I want these babies to bake as long as I can. So yeah, 30 weeks, and I am feeling like poo, and I want to just, oh, I hate that so bad. I hate being pregnant. I'm so done. I'm not gonna stand up because I'm trying to rest right now until Court gets home, and I want to show you guys my belly. So I guess I'll just lift my freaking shirt up. Don't mind the lighting. Let me see if I can tap it. There we go. The belly is big. It's a big belly. I've just been kind of trying to rest. They only really started getting a little bit more intense like earlier this afternoon, so I'm just kind of trying to count them, make sure that I'm okay. I think that they're just Braxton Hicks, maybe just a little bit stronger. So, yep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know everybody just gets so impatient with my pregnancy updates. They want me to do them every single week, and I'm like, I just don't have energy to make them all the time. But I was like, I have to make one today, especially if anything happens, which I'm sure nothing will. But anyways, I Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So dog hair. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.